elementary teacher, now a homeschooling mama to my little girl who is 7 years old. Today's video is a Friendsgiving collaboration between YouTube and content creators. We basically just share recipe ideas for this fall season. I will be listing all the channels participating in this collaboration down in the description box. I do encourage you to go visit them. I know they will be sharing some wonderful recipe ideas, and it is always so much fun to try something new. And I will be sharing a sweet potato pudding recipe, which I love. My mom always made this when I was little, and it is just so yummy and cozy, and I just want to make it for my family today. Also, as a homeschooling mom, I just want to say that it is always a great opportunity to get our little ones involved and to teach them about measurements, parts of a plant, and also to reinforce those life skills which are so important. So if you get the chance, you can have your little ones help you. But that is what I will be making, and I do hope you enjoy it. So first, I began by peeling the sweet potatoes, and I noticed my little Dixie was hoping and waiting so patiently. She's so cute. Once my potatoes were peeled and cut into square pieces, I placed them in a small saucepan since I was only making a small portion. The measurements I will be using throughout this video are for 2 large sweet potatoes. I added just enough water to cover the potatoes. I brought to a boil over high heat and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. I drained the potatoes in a colander. Once drained, I transferred it to another plate. I had already added about a tablespoon of butter. And here are the ingredients I will be adding: 1 egg, a little pinch of salt, about 1/4 cup dark brown sugar, 1/8 cup evaporated milk, half teaspoon vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg. I transferred the sweet potatoes and all the ingredients I mentioned previously. I transferred it all to a blender. After blending everything well, I transferred to a baking dish. The size of the pan depends on the amount you want to make. Since I was only making a small portion, I thought this small loaf pan was perfect. Now I will be placing in the oven to bake at 350 degrees for about an hour. After it has baked for an hour, you just let it cool for a little bit, and then it's ready to enjoy. And I served it in these little ramekins. added a little bit of frosting, some cinnamon powder, and a cinnamon stick just for decoration. And that's it, we're all done. And it was so delicious. I will be making this for Thanksgiving. I hope you get a chance to try this recipe. It was so yummy. And don't forget to see all the other recipes that will be shared. The links will be listed down below. Thank you so much for watching.